Ron Turetzky is a smart contract developer, artist, experienced with communes, cooperatives, intentional communities, and unions. Ron presented Mutual Vend, a decentralized peer-to-peer 3D printable vending machine network where every purchase earns you a share of the profits by the Bread Collective. Check out Ron's and the Bread Collective's work, links in the description box below.
Hello, I am Ron Turetzky. Hi, chat. Good to see you. This project is called Mutual Vend. I'm part of a cooperative called Bread Cooperative, bread.coop. We make cool stuff using crypto for politically leftist goals. This is a self-contained, probably the smallest self-contained co-op that you can get to. I also like to call it a post-capitalist mechanism because that is a definition that I made up, and it fulfills those criteria, which are: one, it provides better conditions to the workers and consumers than the capitalist alternative. Two, it is owned collectively through non-state means, non-imperialist means. The collective ownership of this, the CIA cannot even stop it from distributing revenue, and it's not enforced by violence, lawyers, and so on. And it can theoretically survive in the capitalist market without any philanthropy or subsidy. So let's break it down, how it works. So a lot of co-ops, there's some sort of revenue share for the co-op members. So anybody that purchases in this machine automatically gets a revenue share allocation that they can redeem at the end of the revenue cycle of the machine. And then this machine is $150 from China. Go talk to 20 manufacturers from China, you'll find out. And the idea is if you deposit a security deposit that is $150, this machine will open for you, just like a city bike or a Lime scooter would, from an app. And then you would be able to stock it, close the machine and not break it. And then essentially you're selling in the machine. You're a co-owner of the means of production or the means of vending in this case. And if you stocked it incorrectly, or if you put a bag of dog shit in it, then you would lose your collateral. And if the collateral was even like twice as much as the machine, then the machine would reproduce, because then you could buy 2 new machines to replace it. So essentially, anybody can become a worker of this vending machine by depositing a security collateral, selling in it, getting their collateral back, and getting the profit back. Anybody can be a member of the co-op by purchasing from it and voting on whether it was stocked correctly or not. And it is, just a self-contained co-op. And let's get a snack. So we can use either credit card or crypto for this. So if I buy this for $1.50 and I sell it for $2, it's 50 cents of profit. Credit card companies take 33 cents minimum for like micro payments, basically. By using crypto, you can just like basically make more revenue for yourself as well because you're a co-owner in this. And I'm also selling these cute little 3D printed, look at them, chat, they're so cute, 3D printed vending machines that have a crypto wallet inside. So you can even buy the wallets in here and then use them on the machine. So just we're doing a live demo. We're gonna try to buy some pistachios from this vending machine. So I don't know if you can see off screen, but I'm going here. I'm hitting some buttons on this front end that I completely vibe coded. For those unaware what vibe coding is, it's when you use AI to code something. And my transaction went through. Now, ideally, the server for this would be in the vending machine, but it's the other laptop that I have on this side of the screen. And we should see a vend action happening shortly. Nervously checking the server. There we go. I did not touch the computer, just saying. And we got a vend. There's a snack, and there you go. Nice. Now I can enjoy my snack that I cooperatively owned, the means to vend for, and anybody is welcome to do so. The vending machine is quite ruthless. This is kind of vending machine floor. You can't really get a machine that's like as cheap as this. This is a 3D printed analog vending machine that works with quarters. 3D printed at 20%, very delicate. So over here, there would be like a mechanism that you could put a quarter into, and then it would like just analog vend something out. But printing this at full scale is $160. So it's just like you're already pretty much at the floor for. Okay, well, there we go. You're kind of at the floor for what you can really like. Yeah, the Chinese manufacturers have just figured it out. I also talked to like Japanese vending machine executives and tried to confirm all this. China's just got the game. They're really like they got it on lock. So yeah, I'm thinking of just manufacturing this model, replacing the lock here with an electronic lock, adding the server side component in here so that like the whole trust assumption is really on the machine. The use of crypto here is because to do a security deposit without cryptographic means would be like, you have to sign a contract and you have to sign, there's an LLC and now I'm a money transmitting business with a custodian. And like, I don't want the SEC on my back like that. So smart contracts just kind of like are meant to do that. And they can enforce this kind of economic agreements without violence, without lawyers, without like anything like that. So just sort of self-contained. And yeah, mutualvend.com, mutual-vend.com. Stay tuned.